When you're an island dog, you don't get an orthopedic bed. Outside is your bed. My grandmother had a dog named Bandit. The last time that dog was inside, he was being born. He's never been inside of anywhere. And salmon, venison meal, please. You know what island dogs eat? What the fuck was left over from dinner? It is complete bullshit that you can't feed a dog chicken bones. If that shit was true, every dog south of Key West would be fucking dead. That dog lives his entire life outside, happy as a pig in shit. And my dog, with her 2 orthopedic beds, takes CBD pills for anxiety.